road rage moments will have you gripping your seat. Time to see what happens when anger hits the road.
If I really do that, do you really
What are you talking about?
Go call the police.
For what?
My brother will come now and he will give it to you.
He'll
but
give you
I will
what?
also call the police.
Running a red light is never worth the risk.
Hey, come on. Sir.
This is proof that anyone who intentionally breaks the law will get their deserved karma. Just like this woman, sometimes human thinking is truly inexplicable.
She's gonna call the attendants.
Get that out of my... Oh my God, let go!
Oh, you hit her. Oh, no.
Okay.
You're taking my property.
Well, you know, there's been a lot of comings and goings of UPS trucks in this neighborhood.
What about
A lot
that?
of packages coming
So?
to this house.
It's my Amazon wish
Sir,
list.
I'm taking the package.
No, you're not taking
No,
my
I
package.
am-
That's
no,
my stuff.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
It's pointless to reason with Road Rager. Keep moving. silver car swerved across the lanes and rear-ended a car that stopped in the middle of the highway.
The fumes from this car, yeah?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. Well, do you know that this car's electric, right?
Ha ha ha. Yeah. You try and fob me off like that.
No,
It's an
I'm not fobbing
electric
anyone
car, la-di-da-di-da, just to cover up your crimes. Because I will be
crimes?
reporting.
What? Hobson?
Bro, you got me in the middle of the street, bro. Hobson? Don't nobody listen to Hobson.
Oh, they don't?
Back up. See these rings, nigga, I'm rich.
Love in your life? If I took your
Hey,
mom
nah,
and
for
your
real,
sister and your brother, do they
listen,
really love you?
Nah, listen, I feel
If I
bad
really
for
took
you.
your
Whoa,
sister and your mother and your
whoa.
brother, and do they really
Back up, back up.
If I really do that, do you really
What
love
are you talking about? Let me get back to my, bro.
It's called the mafia. It's called the military.
Excuse me.
You too.
Excuse me.
What, you think it's special?
Excuse me. Why are you touching me? Back talking to. You want to get beat up by a kid?
Oh, let's go.
Oh,
Let's go.
Signs everywhere that say don't ride your bike inside.
You want me to put it on Facebook right now? I'll tag you. I'll tag you.
You know what? Yeah, you guys are gonna.
You want me to tag you? What's your name? I'll tag you.
My dick. That's
Hope the driver got himself a lesson after his lane-changing behavior. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more moments of madness on the road.
What do you mean, who am
Why are you in here? This is my house.
I? Okay, but
Who are you?
I'm waiting for my friend. He lives in one of these houses over here.
What friend?
I'm waiting for one of my friend.
You have
my friend.
friends?
Yeah, my friend
You have friends and you park outside my house?
lives in one of these houses.
I don't think you have a friend here. You don't know whose daughter I am. Какой-то идиот припарковался около нашего дома и говорит какого-то френда. You have no friends.
I do
I'm
have a
telling
friend.
you have no friends.
I do
I can tell. Go call the police.
For what?
My brother will come now and he will give it to you.
He'll
but
give you
I will
what?
also call the police.
Your home.
This
Where you
woman
from?
blocks the entire
You're not
street
from
without
this
permission.
street. I live in my
This
great-grandmother's
angers
house.
people
Look,
around,
where
and
you
she
really
even
from?
shows an
Now
attitude
you
toward
running.
them.
You want to talk to me? Talk to me. Where you from?
I'm trying to hang out with you.
Where you from?
If you come hang out with me.
Where you from? Tell me that. You don't want to hang out with me. You don't want to.
I live here.
Where were you raised? You weren't raised here. I was raised there. I know you weren't raised here. Be real with me if you really want to hang with me. Where are you from? Okay, thank you. Thank you. Now we can begin a basis of communication. I don't know where it'll go, but I'll calm down now.
I would like to come.
But you didn't come like you wanted to be. See,
I came. I walked.
you came on a false premise. You're from here. I had to break you down from that.
And studio security here at my.
Okay, yeah, Monday. I guess so.
I was
You were trying to turn into this lane.
No, I was trying to get over, and you were going around me. I had my blinker on. What do you want to do? Well, I glanced in. I had my blinker on, and you're trying to pass me really fast, and I was turning around. You want me to what?
It looked like.
This person's smoking. Ma'am.
Instead of letting it go, some people chose to waste time on nonsense road rage.
Yeah, police are on their way. No, okay, but there's something wrong with you right now. You're impaired. You are impaired, miss. Miss, you know your tire's out.
I didn't get in an accident.
Well, what's going on right here?
How did you? Why did you pass this gentleman on the right side?
I'm sorry.
What do you think happened here in this wild Honda crash?
We're all in line.
Everybody else trying to get out.
You're every
You're
single
right.
other
You're
person.
right.
You're cutting every single other
We're all
person.
in line.
We were sitting here way longer than you.
Why? Why? We did nothing. There's literally nothing.